Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix printer in error state in Windows 10 operating system. Right now I'm using Windows 10 operating system. So first step is that you need to run the printer troubleshooter. For that I will go in the search bar and I will type run and I will open this run and I will use this command to run the printer troubleshooter. Just copy and paste the command. I will provide the command in the below description. All you need to do is just copy and paste. Now I'm going to click OK. After that I will click next. It will automatically detect problem and it will automatically fix the problem if required. It will also suggest the changes which needs to be done. So just wait. Fixed. So this is the first step. The second step that you can do is go to the services. Just go to the services and you need to search for printer related service. So type P in the keyboard and search for print spooler service. So you need to make sure that this service should be set as automatic and it should be up and running. Okay, it is up and running. The third step that you can perform is you can uninstall the printer driver and reinstall it. So go to device manager and just go to view and you have to click show hidden devices and it will display all the hidden devices. Now you're going to search, you will go over here in the print queue section. If your printer is connected, your driver will be visible over here. Let's say this is my driver. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to right click and I will click uninstall. So I want to uninstall this driver and then afterwards I'm going to restart my computer. And the moment the computer will go in the restart state, it will automatically install the latest driver, the latest printer driver for me. So now is the time to restart my computer. So I will go over here and I will restart my computer. So I will see you after the restart. So guys, I have done the restart and the latest driver for my printer has been installed again. I hope the issue is resolved. At the end, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.